So students, we are going to study about the program to find the middle number by entering three numbers using parameterize. So for that, we are just creating a class. Say I'm giving a class middle. So here the class has been generated. Opening the class, selecting the default content and giving the class name. So just writing the program first. That is, write a program to input three integers using parameters and display the middle number only. You have to print only middle number. Now let's see, students. First of all, we are just creating a class. Here class we had created. After that, we have to create a function. That is, I am just creating a function, writing a function name find, and in the parameter we have to take three integers arguments. So I'm just taking int a, int b, and int c. So in these three parameters or three variables having their values, the user will enter. Now the conditions that may be to find middle number find करने के लिए conditions क्या क्या हो सकती हैं? That let's see. If a will be the middle number, अगर a middle number है, then उस condition में the condition may be BAC and CAB. Here BAC means that B will be less than A and A will be less than C. And second possible condition will be CAB. So which means that C is less than A and A is less than B. So in these two possible conditions, we can say that A is the middle number. So for that, simply you have to give the test condition if block if A would be, we are just assuming that A may be your middle number. So you will write like this, B is less than A. You will put the double parenthesis over there. If B is less than A and A is less than C, or second possible condition may be that is C. C is less than A and A is less than B. So these are the two possible conditions. We are just closing it. So here you will print a statement, or you can simply take a variable. After that, you can write the or print the statement at the end also, but I'm not doing that. I'm just printing the statement over here just after the if block. So I'm just mentioning that A plus is the middle number. So this message will be printed on the screen or on the terminal window. Now next possible condition, for we are assuming that if B would be the middle number, then the possible conditions may be A, B, C and C, B, A. So for A, B, C, you can write like this, that if A is less than B and B is less than C, closing it, giving OR option, either this condition may be true or the second condition, ABC or CBA. So C is less than B and B is less than A. So if any of the condition becomes true, so it will gives you true, or the statement would be printed system.out.println. Just I am giving here, we are assumed that B would be the middle number. So I am just copying and pasting this part over there and changing it as B. In the same way, students, the third condition that may be, for we are assuming C, so we'll write over here if A, C, B, if A is less than C and C is less than B, or BCA, that means B is less than C and C is less than A. So for these two possible conditions, C would be your middle number. So let's copy this statement and we are just pasting this over here and changing this argument C. Now let's see the output and find out the result. We are just closing this class also. We have to put it in a multi-line comment so that it will become the non-executable statements. Now just compiling the program, have a look, the class compiled, no syntax error is being displayed. We are just closing it and creating an object for this class. So object has been created. Now let's see, we are just invoking the function void find with the help of BlueJ. And here you can see that 3 arguments we have to give, such as I am giving 8. Next one I am giving say 5, and third one I am giving 10. So for this, students, if you see in the ascending order, if we arrange these numbers in the ascending order, your 8 will be the middle number. So let's see the output by clicking on OK. Yes. So the output is 8 is the middle number. So our conditions are correct over here. Now again, I am invoking for such as I am giving say 10. Next one is 6, and next one I am giving say 15. So here if you see, students, that if you arrange these 3 numbers, that is 10, 6 and 15, so 6, 10, 15, that means in the sequential or in the ascending order, if you arrange these numbers 6, 10, 15, so your middle number would be 10. So let's see the output, that it is printing 10 or not. Yes. So 10 is the middle number. So in this way, the programming has been done for finding the middle number. I hope that you all understood this program, the simple if program to finding out the middle number. Main part is the student that you have to create the logic and the concept and do more practice for the programming as well.